Hi, and welcome to Gadget News and Review. We are home to some of the coolest gadgets, and the best consumer reviews online, buyer's guides and features. If you like our review, please subscribe for more upcoming reviews videos. Google Go now available worldwide, what you need to know. A reliable internet engine that is fast and easy to use despite the limitations on your Android device is Google Go. Not all smartphones have powerful and fast processors, and not everyone have fast internet connection. Google Go is the answer as the search engine for smartphones that have low space and can be used on slow internet connections. It is also small at 5 megabytes, so it's fast to download and used immediately. You can access everything you need like your favorite apps and websites, images, videos and more right in this app. You can also tap through the trending topics and queries as well as use your own voice to search. And finally, low-tech smartphone users will be able to send gifts to use when chatting thanks to this app. Mobile internet is now more accessible with Google Go for Android. Google Go is no longer exclusive to emerging markets. Right now, anyone around the world can download the stripped-down version of the popular Android web browser from the Google Play Store. In 2017, Google rolled out a light version of the Android phone operating system called Android Go. It was designed for emerging markets where unreliable networks are a common issue. The system came with a custom suite of lightweight apps, including the Google Go browser, Gmail Go for email and Gallery Go for photos. This unrestricted access to the Google Go browser lets any Android user now save data lost to loading bulky web pages in areas with poor service. At just 7 megabytes in size, Google Go uses much less processing power than the standard Google search app, which is ideal for those who don't have a lot of storage on their device nor the bandwidth to spare. It'll save your place if you lose a connection while browsing, too. Google Go is among several light apps designed for emerging markets and older Android devices. Earlier this month, Spotify introduced Spotify Lite, which weighs in at a tenth of standard Spotify's size. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have released similar lightweight replicas of the social media apps that tend to hog storage space. Google Go features voice commands, lens, translate, GIF and image search, and is available on the Play Store. However, it works only on Android 5.0 Lollipop or higher.